Now to the latest on the race for a COVID-19 vaccine. A House of Representatives task force was established this week to oversee Rhode Island's vaccine distribution. Steph Machado is here now with what a leading expert on the pandemic says about the next few months here in Rhode Island and when we could possibly expect to see a drop in cases. It's a story that's new tonight.
If the thought of severely restricting life again for the next several weeks is causing you dread, there is reason to hang in there.
We're all in this together. And so if we can get some chunk of people vaccinated, it'll help everybody because their immunity helps protect everyone else too.
Dr. Ashish Jha, the dean of Brown's School of Public Health, told me earlier this week the spread of the virus in Rhode Island could decrease by February.
I expect that by the end of January, if you believe the target set by Operation Warp Speed, 50 million Americans will have gotten vaccinated. That's about 16-17% of the population. I expect that in Rhode Island, by that time, we'll have probably close to 20% of the population may have already been infected. And you combine them, obviously some overlap, 30-35% of people may be immune by then. Even by the end of January into early February, we will start seeing the spread of the virus slow way down.
Jha says he expects widespread availability of the vaccine by April. Of course, no vaccine has actually been authorized for use yet by the FDA, but 3 candidates have reported promising results from trials. In the meantime, cases continue to rise and hospitals are filling up, which is why Rhode Island is entering a 2-week pause on Monday with new restrictions on everyday life.
Is 2 weeks enough to get enough information on whether the pause worked? Can we look at data at the end of 2 weeks and say, okay, we're ready to reopen some of these things?
Yeah, so I think 2 weeks is sort of that bare minimum. That's basically what you need. We should start seeing by the end of that 2-week period, let's say a week or 10 days in, you'll start seeing the effect of that policy.
In Providence, Steph Machado, 12 News.